get a little low gear pull.
Damage.
Everybody wanna be hard, wanna be gangster. Everybody wanna get a gun, call them trigger finger. Y'all niggas too soft, can't be real. Everybody wanna switch up, when they can't eat off your grill. Sitting at home doing nothing. Niggas be chillin' and vibing, riding in my car ain't stunning. What make you think that you can stop me? Nope. I just be getting that bad.
Everybody watching this video right now, follow me on Instagram. I appreciate it. Enjoy the video. Cari crew, what it do, man? It's your boy Cari Beats back with another POV. As y'all can see, man, I seen in the comments somebody had said, I think there was a new subscriber, they wanted to, see the cosmetics on my whip. So I'm starting the POV out, man, showing you the outside, man, for all my new subscribers. If you are new right now, man, hit that sub button, man. We on the road to 10K. We less than 100 people away from 10K, man. So y'all get your boy to 10K the quick way. But as y'all can see, it's my whip, man. You know what I'm saying? Scatpack with the 5 spokes, you know what I'm saying? With the 5 spokes on it. Some slight, man. With the carbon fiber, you feel me? This is carbon fiber, by the way. There's not no regular black stripes, you know what I'm saying? But y'all let me know how she looking. How we looking? You know what I'm saying? How we looking, man? Let me get y'all these, you know what I'm saying? How we looking, Cari crew? But yeah, I just had to get out the car right quick and show y'all, you know what I'm going on. Y'all can see it wet outside. You know what I'm saying? So we finna get us a rainy POV in, man. With the traction off, you know what I'm saying? Have a little, you know what I'm saying? Have a little fun. Just a little bit. That's a little warm start right there. Real deal warm start. Turn that air off, I ain't gonna lie. Oh yeah, man. As y'all can see, we, you know what I'm saying, we finna get straight into it. But like I said, man, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you're new, man. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me. You know what I'm saying? Excuse me. And we finna turn traction now, y'all. We gonna go something slight though, you know what I'm saying? We gonna go in custom. Oh, my custom's still in sport. Yeah. We're gonna put it in a little street mode, but we're gonna turn traction all the way out. As y'all can see, I'm holding the button, you know what I'm saying? Watch out. Yes, sir. When you hear that ding, you know what that means, you know what I'm saying? Face that. But yeah, man, I might slide a little bit too, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna give y'all a few little slight circles. Just cause it's wet, I ain't gonna go crazy. And I'm gonna do it in automatic, you know what I'm saying? Show y'all boy how to maintain that wheel. Maintain that wheel for real. You know what I'm saying? Maintain that wheel. I'm gonna go the way I normally do. I'm gonna go to my right. I always go to the left. I mean, I'm gonna go to my whatever. I don't know how this shit go. But this way, when I'm turning the wheel right now. I'm gonna do it in a second though. Hold on. I'm trying to see something. Cari crew. It was pouring down though, like it was pouring down, bro. It went from pouring down and it was lightning. You know what I'm saying? It was lightning and all that, bro. Let me get y'all a little circle. But I ain't did that in so long. I really want to slide in it for real. That's my weak side, I ain't gonna lie. I can slide that way, but that's my weak side. I ain't gonna cap. But yeah, man, just something slight right quick, man. We're just playing in the rain on some cool. Oh my goodness. I gotta see how Olivia be. How she be getting shifty. It be so funny when the wheels spin because it feel like you can just feel the little, like the vibration when they spin. You know what I'm saying? We in custom mode with it. Let me crack the back window. I can't have them too low because of the water and all that. That bitch like a cat. That bitch feel like a cat. That bitch felt like a cat. I ain't did a drifting every turn in the rain in so long, bro. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about that. If y'all want another one of them, get the video to 100 likes. Drifting every turn in the rain, you know what I'm saying? Finna hit that bit though. I don't know if I was sliding the whole time or it was hooking. I really can't tell, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. It feel like I ain't did a video in a minute, bro. It's been a couple days since I recorded something. I ain't gonna even hold you. I ain't gonna even hold you, Cari crew. Dang, that was my turn. I'm gonna do a U-turn right here. I just want to get y'all a quick little POV, man, you know what I'm saying? Slight little cut up, man. But we almost a 10K Cari crew, like, bro. Like, this is crazy. It's been a long time coming, man. I've been talking about this. Bro, I've been talking about getting 10K, bro, since I passed 1K. I wanted to hit it so bad, but it curved right here, and boy, y'all boy bold if y'all can do that. Let me get a little gear bull. Come on, man. Who got the wheel like me? I ain't gonna lie, let me chill. I know a lot of y'all niggas can drive, but I'm just saying though, you know what I'm saying, for an average nigga. I let that bitch drive, I ain't get out of it or nothing. And I still wasn't flooring it, bro. Y'all boy gotta just learn how to drive these motherfuckers. You know what I'm saying? That boy gotta learn how to drive these, man. I ain't gonna lie. Y'all niggas don't even know how to drive these for real, bro. Let me show y'all boy how to do it, bro. See, look. Hit your little first gear pull. In the rain, traction off right there. Stick 'em. I just ran through a little bit of mud. I ain't gonna lie, boy. Doing this come with a lot. I just ran through a little mud. Hey, you know what I'm saying? Slight control. Don't mash the brakes. Ease into it. Let the car do its thing. If you got to, downshift. Downshift help you slow down too. Ooh, boy, I want to hit it around that curve right about there. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Hey, Cari. Hey, I'm telling y'all, bro. All I gotta do is know what it feel like, bro. All I gotta do is know like what it feel, how it's supposed to feel. You know what I'm saying? Let me let this car go by. But hey, you know what I'm saying? All you gotta do is just know how that mother feel, cuz. Hey, y'all, I ain't gonna cap. Oh, I caught that on cam. Bro, I caught that on cam, bro. I touched the grass, Cari crew. I touched the grass, Cari crew. No. Hey. Oh, man. I touched the grass, bro. Well, like, when I hit it, I ain't stab it, though, but like, it was gonna go to the grass anyway. Cause it's like, you know what I'm saying? My steering wheel feel like got tighter just then. I mean, it's in track anyway, but no, Cari crew, I done touched the grass, bro. Y'all ain't really see it for real. Oh, I done touched the grass. I'm a little rusty, I ain't gonna lie. I ain't did this in a minute. But hey, man, I'm gonna try this at home. All right? I'm gonna try this at home, man. I'm just giving y'all a quick little cut up in the rain, man. Just back road, you know what I'm saying? Mexico. Getting to it, you feel me? I gotta pull over and look at my whip, but I know I got a little grass on the wheels, man. I ain't go all the way in the grass, though. You know what I'm saying? Thank you, Lord. You know what I'm saying? Watching over your boy. And just being careful. So you can have fun, bro, but you gotta be careful, bro. Don't overdo it. Some niggas be overdoing, especially if you ain't never did it before. You know what I'm saying? If you ain't never did it before, bro, don't do it. I ain't gonna lie though. I was just doing a little catwalk, you know what I'm saying? How the car be going like this. I was doing that for a second. That first time I did it. But yeah, man, y'all boy. Hey, man. That's crazy I caught that on vlog. I think my hand went down just a little bit. Because I was looking with my eyes, but I was still holding that bit. Dang, man. Let's see what popping though. Hold on. Let me pull over to the little parking spot right here. Why is it cars over here, bro? Damn. Why everywhere I go, it gotta be something lame, man. Let me get out and check the whip right quick. I mean, ain't nothing wrong. I ain't really do nothing. But it could have been worse. I ain't gonna lie. So thank God for that. Could have been worse. But we finna see what it looks like. Oh, ain't man. But see, look. I thought I was playing. Get the little, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, just a little drag. Just a little bit. Ain't nothing too crazy though. You know what I'm saying? Still real driver. Still real driver. Just a little, you know what I'm saying? Like that right there. It just came from me spinning when I got up out of there. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, car crew, nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy, man. We still good, you know what I'm saying? One more look around, one more time. But we still good though, man. You feel me? We still straight. Well, yeah, man. I just want to give y'all boys a little quick something, man. Just a little you know what I'm saying, rainy POV action, turning up in the rain, cutting up, man. So y'all make sure y'all watch the whole video. Don't be skipping through the video, you know what I'm saying? Watch the whole video, bro. But yeah, man, as y'all can see, straight in the flesh, man. Your boy had done hit that thing and got a little wicked. I feel like Jensen out there, bitch. I ain't gonna lie. I feel like Jensen out there, bitch. But yeah, man, that could be a wrap though, you know what I'm saying? Something slight, man. I know I be giving y'all not too short video, but you know, they be pretty, you know what I'm saying, to the point, you feel me? So they be to the point, Cari crew, so. But yeah, man, make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you're new. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from your boy. You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all boy do that. You know what I'm saying? Get the video to 100 likes. You know what I'm saying? On the road to 10K. Get your boy to 10K the quick way, man. Get your boy to 10K the quick way. And let me know what other POVs and videos y'all want to see. I know I do POVs, bro. For the most part, and like, well, just car stuff in general. Not just POV, but like car stuff in general. I know I be doing car stuff or whatever in general, but you know what I'm saying? Y'all just give me ideas, bro. Out the box ideas, you know what I'm saying? Car related, or the car can have something to do with it, or it can be some kind of, you know what I'm saying? Not just strictly cars, but just give me ideas, bro. Y'all never know what I'll be willing to do, you know what I'm saying? Depending on what ideas y'all give me. You know what I'm saying? Y'all can help me brainstorm, you feel me? But yeah. But yeah, man. I had to check my steering wheel right quick. But yeah, man, you know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all hit that like button, like I said. Hit that subscribe button if you're new. Turn on post notification bells again so you won't miss another banger from your boy. But hey, man, like I say, now the end of my videos, you got a goal you trying to achieve, any kind of accolade, any kind of milestone. Do that milestone, do that goal, man. The sky's the limit, and you can touch it, Cari crew. You know what I'm saying? And also, man, for all my religious folk, keep God first, keep him in the mix. You feel me? As I say, as always, man, just stay prayed up, man. I know life get hard. I know we get a better relationship, you know what I'm saying? I gotta work on myself too, though. You know what I'm saying? I don't be speaking. I'm speaking to myself as I speak to y'all. You know what I'm saying? I'm not just trying to sound like I'm the perfect man in the world. Nowhere near, boy. Nowhere near. But you know what I'm saying? I'm real just like y'all real. So yeah, man. But also, man, like I said at the end of my video, man, I'm out of here. I'm like yesterday. Peace.